All right, how's it going, YouTube? So we got a race coming up this Sunday, and need to do some maintenance. I still haven't even cleaned the tires from the last race or the last test session. So I'm gonna go through the car, do some maintenance, and then we'll put it on the shelf. We got a SE class. We're trying to get a few classes out differently than just SE, so we could get other people involved. So we're gonna have SE, run with your brung, stock, VXL, and nitro. So we'll see how that go. If anything else shows up, we'll pair them up and send them down the line. So let me just show y'all what I'm gonna do to this and then go from there. So last outing with this, it did pretty good. Still need to clean the tires. Now my issue was I just wasn't going fast enough. So I just want to clean up some things. I'm gonna clean up the tires. The prep gets on a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna clean all that up, and pretty much some maintenance. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up, and then I'll bring you back and we'll see what else we could do. Because I think, for one, my body, could be wrong, but I think my body was rubbing on the tires. So I want to take care of that, and then we'll go from there. And whatever else we're taking, we'll get that ready as well. I do want to take, I'm not sure which nitro to take, so we'll get to that as well in the video. And as far as the run with you brung, I'm thinking about bringing Pinky, so we'll see. All right, YouTube, so I just cleaned up this side, nice. And I'm over here looking at this side, and so if you notice, this side don't have, no real play. This side does. The reason I'm using gloves too is there's prep everywhere. So look at this side. I'm like, what's going on here? This screw is loose for one, and there's no screws on that side. I'm missing 2 screws. The same. You see the 2 screws on that side down there. So I'm missing. I gotta fix that up. Now I wasn't having an issue with the car going straight, but it could have been, I don't know, collapsing on one side, and that's why it was rubbing. I'm not sure, but anyway, we're gonna fix that. So y'all see. All right, cleaning up the shocks, and I'm going up here cleaning up the chassis, and I see one of my cat pack wires is unsoldered. That's the cat pack that come with it, so I'm gonna fix that as well. But other than that, the back is almost done, and I gotta move on to the front. So all right, we got the back all cleaned up. I did fix that wire that came off. So far everything over here is good. Now to the front. What I noticed in the front is one of the tires does have a hole in it, so that's weird, worn out. But I need to clean up everything, go through the shocks, and then we'll get back to it. All right, YouTube, she's all cleaned up, ready to go. Everything in there is all tightened up, so she should be good. Probably gonna get Pinky on the show. If not, we'll get to the nitro. So y'all stay tuned. We'll see what's next. All right, YouTube, this is Pinky. This is pretty much my run with you brung car. I could use the Armor Infraction because that is my other drag car, but unfortunately I don't have foams for that right now. My problem with this is it's not going straight, so I am going to do some test hits with this. What I'm going to try to do, I'm thinking it's the Willy bar wheel. This is what it could be. I don't know. Even Benji had told me that he think this bar was off, but to me it looked dead straight. So I don't know. But my plan is anyway to do some test hits with it and see what happens. Try to actually get it to go straight, so that way I could use it in the run with your brung class. That's my plan anyway. I've been fighting the steering. It's like the car is driving its own way for some reason. I don't know. I've been trying to figure it out and can't. So if I can't get it before Sunday, we won't be using this. We'll figure something else out. As far as the bracket, I'll show you what I'm thinking to use for the bracket. So we'll see. All right, as far as bracket cars, this could be one of my bracket cars because before I couldn't get it to go straight, and I found out it was the steering servo, so I never got a chance to really use it, but I'm thinking this car should be consistent. This is the RS4 Pro 4. I forgot what edition it is. The Hung Nor edition. I forgot his name, but anyway, I have the car going straight now, so as long as I can keep it consistent, I am going to try. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to run this car on Sunday with a few passes to see if it gives me the same time. You know, it should. We'll see. Most of the time, I just had to put a receiver in here. But most of the time, my bracket car never stays consistent. So that's why I'm always pretty much losing in the bracket. So we'll see if we can get this thing at a consistent ET, and then we'll go from there. But if not, I have a backup bracket car I want to try as well. I'll show you that. All right, this is the other bracket car. I believe I used this last time, and it ended up not being consistent. I can't remember. I really can't. But anyway, yeah. So I will bring this as well, because what I would do is I would try both cars. This one is on 3S, the other one is on 2S, and then see which one is more consistent and try to stick with that. This is the Kyosho GT1, so we'll see what this does. Yeah, I'll stay tuned. And as far as, there was something else I was gonna show you, but I believe that's all the cars I'm gonna bring, which is this, the Pro 4 for bracket. My SE is gonna come with the backup car, so that's 2 classes. Well, let's get to the nitro. I want to show you how the nitro. But then as far as, we got bracket and we got SE. So yeah, let me show you how. Well, I showed you my Run What You Brung car. Hopefully that runs good as well. And let me just get 2 of the nitros up here, and we'll see which one we're gonna take. If not, we'll see which one is faster the day of. So 1 second, let me just get them up there. All right, YouTube, last but not least, this is the RS4 Big Block that I built for pretty much drag racing, but I need to change my internal gears to get more top speed out of this. Right now, with the maximum gear, I'm getting 49, maybe 50. Now this, I haven't even ran it yet, but I just got the belt in. I just changed the belt, so the car is back running. I still haven't got a body yet. So it's out of these 2 that I'm thinking for nitro. This one is probably like in a 2.7s, 2.8, so it's not that fast. This one I haven't tried yet, so I'll bring it just to see what it does, but it has no body. So these are the 2 that I'm going with, and depending on which one is faster, that's the one that's going in the nitro class. Same with the bracket, whichever one's more consistent, that's the one that's going in there. As far as the SE, I'm going with my main car. And as far as, what else are we doing? Run What You Brung. I have a stock car. I'm not gonna mess with that. VXL, I don't have that. And my Run What You Brung car, we'll see if that is consistent. But I will be testing this. You will see this testing and the RS4 Sport 3 testing to see if we're going to use this for nitro and that for Run What You Brung. If not, I won't run in the Run What You Brung, and we'll just see what happens anyway. So y'all stay tuned, and look out for the run videos of to see what I'm testing, to see how it's gonna go for Sunday. So all right, y'all stay tuned, and looking forward to at least seeing what this does on the tree compared to this. This is a .12, .21, so we'll see y'all.